Hey Coco, do you know what today is? Boxycharm Day.
I said that.
Oh, she said it. It is Boxycharm Day. Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon. That's Coco. Click that subscribe button, please. And if you're not new,
thanks for coming back.
Thanks for coming back. Okay, y'all, I do want to start the video by saying we are going to have a giveaway, and I will explain all of it at the end of the video when I'm done going through this stuff, but I'll try to keep the video pretty quick. Y'all know I cannot read this small writing if I don't have glasses. Okay, the first thing we have is from Touch in Soul, and it is a pre-filter waterful glow cream. This actually retails for $38. This is what it looks like. It's kind of got like a lavender, purple, pinkish tint to it. The bottle does. I've used this actually a few times. I'm not mad at it. And it does give like, it has a watery feel to it.
Can I wet?
It has a scent, and then the cream is actually like a light pink, and it just feels super lightweight and water-based, and you don't really need a lot of it. Okay, then this retails for $24. It is Lights Camera Action. No, Lights Camera Lashes. Sorry, I'm just guessing because I can't see. Black. It's in the shade black.
I like it. I like it.
Oh, you like that? I'll show it next, okay?
Yeah.
And I think we all know what this looks like. It has that snake skin kind of looking print to it.
Oh.
Just normal mascara.
Yeah.
And I'm not mad at this because who doesn't always need another mascara? You can always use another one, and I've heard good things about this. I've never tried it, so I am excited to try this one. And it's full size. Okay, then we got this from Lovecraft Beauty, and this is $18, and it's in the shade, I can't read it. Let me see. Oh, I'm holding it upside down, I think. Quasar Goo? I don't know what the name of this is. It's sealed, so I can't show you. But from the side, you can see the shade that it is. I'm probably never going to use this, so I'm not going to unseal it. I'll save it for a future giveaway. Or maybe I'll just add it as an add-on to the giveaway we have, and it'll just be a surprise when it shows up to the winner. Next thing we have is from Item Beauty, and I recently got a blush from them in the Sephora sale, and I'm not gonna lie, I want to return the blush. I want to return it. It's just not, I don't love it, and I'm never going to use it. So I don't know how much I'm going to love this. This is an $18 concealer, and I got it in the shade, I don't know, I can't read it. It's a number, 320. I got it in the shade 320.
The last one.
Yep, and then we have one more. Oh, I'm sorry. I told you I was going to do that next, and I didn't. I'm sorry. So this is what it looks like. Okay, let's see.
That looks like water.
It does look kind of watery.
Why it look like that?
Is it supposed to be like that? Let's move the palette. It's...
The person... Oh, goodbye.
Just goodbye.
Goodbye.
Okay, I think that's all the... It's like, it literally just looks like water. Huh. Why is it just falling out?
Yeah, that's weird.
That is weird.
Dude,
okay.
Dude, this is a joke.
I don't think it's a joke. Is that normal? It actually feels nice. I mean, I'm not mad at it. I'm a little concerned that there's an issue with this, so I'm gonna... I like it. I mean, I like the look of it. I like the feel of it.
Well, I don't like the water. I like
either.
that.
So I'll go ahead and I'll email Boxycharm about this one. That was not supposed to happen. Next and last thing, $42 eyeshadow palette from Wander Beauty. This is Sweet Escape. Okay, that's what she looks like. She's really pretty, but the likelihood of me using this palette is pretty slim. I don't know, actually. Now that I'm looking at it, I mean, I was looking at the purples and I'm thinking probably not going to use the purples, but all of these shades look actually really pretty. This shade is pretty. I don't know, maybe I would use this. I might use this. Let's swatch them. I was gonna say, when I first got the palette, I was like, oh, we're gonna save that and put it into a giveaway, but she's gorgeous. Am I gonna use this? I'd hate to swatch this and then never use it, and I could have given it to somebody who would have just absolutely loved it. Okay, I'm not, because I know I have all of these shades in other palettes, so I'm not gonna swatch it. I'm not gonna swatch it. Whoever wins the giveaway, maybe there will be some extra room and I can throw some extra surprises in there, and maybe this will be one of them, or we'll save it for a future giveaway. Okay, I'm not mad at this concealer. I don't think that the shade is right for me because it blends in with my skin almost, and my hand is significantly darker than my face. So I don't know how well that would actually work for me. But also the whole water thing is kind of weird. Okay, let's get into the giveaway details. Let me get the giveaway stuff first. That would probably help. So let me show you the stuff that we have in the giveaway. First, we have this little single eyeshadow. This is for someone else, not for Coco. Sorry.
No, for me.
We have an individual eyeshadow from Pat McGrath. I think it's called the Gold Standard. It's just a gold eyeshadow. Then we have this from Mally Beauty. It is a 14 pan eyeshadow palette. This is the packaging, and that is what that looks like. We have Divine Romance from Pat McGrath. This is one of my favorite lip shades from her. And the packaging, gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
And this is what that one looks like. She's so pretty. It's a matte. I love these so much. And these are like $40 for one. They're not a cheap lipstick, let me tell you. We have a MAC palette here. This is the Pretty Face Compact, and it is in the shade Fair, but I would say this would work on somebody that was darker. I would say this would work on somebody like myself, because I actually bought it for myself. I bought it for myself. I didn't buy it for a giveaway, so I know it would work on somebody that was in my shade. But this is the packaging, and this is what she looks like. She's gorgeous, gorgeous. We have another lipstick. This one is from Clinique, and it is in the shade Plum Pop. Comes just like this, and the top pops off. But she is super cute. She is so pretty. I'm not mad at her. Then we have this from Rare Beauty, and this is Discovery Eyeshadow Palette Come to Play. And y'all know what these look like. And that is the eyeshadows. She's so pretty. And then we have one more thing, and it is the Jubilee Palette from Natasha Denona. And that's what she looks like. So these are all of the items. It's not like some huge giveaway that other people might do, but to me, I feel like this is a nice giveaway, and if I was to win these type of products, I'd be super stoked about it. Okay, so to enter the giveaway, all you need to do is subscribe to our channel and leave a comment. It could be any comment you want. You could tell us how you found our channel. You could tell us what your favorite makeup product was in the Boxycharm, what's your favorite makeup product in the giveaway that you would like to use. You could tell us what videos you would like to see in the future. Basically, any comment or question that you would like to ask, you can leave in the comments, and as long as you comment and you subscribe, you are entered into this giveaway. So the giveaway is going to be open to US residents. It's going to end on February 6th, so that gives everybody about 2 weeks, and on February 7th, the winner will be picked, and I will just respond to your comment that day. I'll already respond to your comments, but on the 7th, when I respond, I will tell you, you can go ahead and DM me on Instagram and send me your address or whatever, and I can get everything taken care of and shipped out to you. That's pretty much it. I feel like that's a pretty simple giveaway. Just subscribe, leave a comment, and cross your fingers and hope you win. Ironically, somebody who won one of the giveaways that I did a long time ago when we were in California, she won. I sent her the stuff. She didn't believe that it was really me when I asked her for her address. She actually lives down the road from me now, where I live here in Virginia, so that's absolutely crazy, but super ironic. She's like literally 10 minutes down the road, and she was one of the first people who ever won a giveaway that I had done, so that's super cool. So you can share it with your friends if they want to enter. If you have multiple YouTube accounts, you could comment from other YouTube accounts. I don't care, as long as you just comment and subscribe.
Comment and subscribe.
Anyway, let's end it. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, all those good things.
Not working. This palette not working.
My goal would be to get to 12,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I don't know if that's realistic. I hope that it is. Then sometimes I think maybe you should take it down a notch and just try to get to 11,000 and be grateful. But hey, I'm trying to grow, and I feel like I really need to focus this year, and this is the year that I'm going to focus. I'm going to get it together, and I'm also going to learn to love myself. Those are things that I'm working on for 2023. You look like a rock star. Your makeup is so rock star right now. Seriously. This is making me think of your makeup. I've actually never used this. Oh no, The other kids are gonna be so mad because I told them they could be in a video and I forgot to go get them. Why haven't I used
You
this?
look like a rock star.
You do look like a rock star.
No, he doesn't. I look like Fancy Nancy.
Oh, fashion. Oh yes, since the girls had pink eye this past week, we have learned air hugs, air high fives, and blowing kisses. Air hug, Coco. Wait, I'm not done.
That's my coffee.
Oh, my body.
I say Boxycharm. Boxycharm with a hot guy.
Yeah, I don't know which way it is. Oh.
I'm swimming.
What?
That's funny. Give me, I burped.
Oh, excuse her. I can't open it. Shit.
I burped at the camera.
I need something to open this. I'm not at my desk. That's Coco's palette.
And the gingerbread. Hello, my name's Gingerbread.